tell me something about yourself because we are connecting first time. I didn't even know anything about you. Tell me
Okay.
something little bit more. I don't require more than that. One
My
minute.
my name is JD. Okay. My name is JD. I am from Maharashtra. It is
Okay.
very small where I'm living right now. Okay. There are so many villages in Maharashtra. So I
Okay.
live
Currently
in
in village because
yeah, yeah.
in
You can see in the background tree. I'm sitting under the tree, right? So
yeah,
this
yeah.
is my when I talk about my qualification, I completed my intermediate many years ago. Then I dropped out. At this point, I'm working as a spoken English teacher. I teach specialist students who are belongs to rural area who do not have any environment. Okay, who do not have any speaking partner. So I give them
Your
my 30 or 1 hour, so 30 minutes or 1 hour.
okay. What's your channel like?
My channel name is Learn English with JD. Learn English with JD.
Okay, okay.
Which I
Yeah.
started see like I wanted to be consistent because you know very well some issues going on. So that's the reason I'm not able to upload any content over there.
Okay. Even where
Ma'am,
I was born and raised village itself because I relate to you because the environment looks like village. Even I like the most village because after staying Bangalore also I don't like Bangalore because if it's too expensive to living here without having job it's completely going to hectic. So that reason I love my village first of all.
okay,
Yeah.
but
Sorry to interrupt you. You can.
could you introduce yourself as well because
Yeah.
you haven't
Sure.
formally introduced yourself.
Sure, definitely. So, as you know already, my name is Savitri, currently living in Bangalore. Apart from that, about my studies, I completed BCom. Then after that, I did MCom through distance learning because in that time I was working. So then, come to my hobbies. I love to cooking, then traveling. Other than that, love to interact with multiple people like tutors, sometimes for YouTubers and co-learners. Then, yeah, I'm a married woman then I have a kid. Yeah, it's all about me. It's going. Now it's going. Okay. Suppose we can have session through Zoom. So
Mhm.
it is required a laptop through phone. It's not possible to record.
Yeah, that's exactly I'm thinking right now. Because yesterday I tried to record the session. See, even
Yeah.
I was host, there was no any recording option available in my phone. Okay, even I'm using very good mobile phone. But the person who used to who was using the laptop, so he able to
Those,
record the session. Yeah,
okay, those are able to record the session.
yeah. So might
Another
be your
and
desktop.
another thing,
Right.
both the person not able to record, only single person able to record. Who invited to join someone? Someone.
Yeah,
Is
who
it
is the
true?
host? Yeah, it is true. I think.
Okay. Then what to do? What next?
I don't know. Like we have to find an alternative, right? There could be some application. Okay. See, first of all, we have to understand there are probably 400 people, right? Like in different groups. Right now, I really don't know how many groups do you have on Skype application. So if we have to invite them. We have to create one WhatsApp group. Okay. See, if people comfortable, they can share number to particular person, so they can create a group. I'm quite sure 1 month from now, 15 days from now, we are going to get one application, particular application. Okay. Then we can download all of them that same application. See, but if you don't have the contact, so how are you going to invite them on that application? So I think first step should be create one group. So where you can invite the people, you can add the people, right? That I believe.
Okay, so do you have laptop? Do you have?
No, I don't have a laptop. That's the issue.
Yeah, even I am also thinking the same. Actually, I'm a housewife, so
Okay.
I'm using English very seriously after creating my channel. So a little after creating my channel, I'm little happy for that because I'm always feeling like I'm doing nothing, simply wasting my time. Even though I had a baby, I didn't go outside to grab some job because I'm lived in Bangalore, but I can't go outside and grab some job because of her. So this is the right way to utilize my time, and some way if my channel got monetized, some other way it going to help me, right? So I think like that I try to invest my time in this, but now I don't have laptop, so I can't invest for this around 40 to
Yeah,
50K.
thinking,
So
no,
how it is?
thinking about buying a laptop, it is not the solution, right?
No, 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 not at all.
that is not solution because we are going to find an alternative. Okay.
Yes.
So we
Yeah,
have to
that's
wait
true.
for, just wait for like 15-20 days. If somebody will come up with an idea, they will find an application and they will share the
Okay,
information. Pass the
help to
information.
each other. Okay, tell me something about yourself because we are connecting first time. I didn't even know anything about you. Tell me
Okay.
something little bit more. I don't require more than that. One
My,
minute.
my name is JD. Okay. My name is JD. I am from Maharashtra. It is
Okay.
a very small where I'm living right now. Okay. There are so many villages in Maharashtra. So I
Okay,
live
currently
in,
in a village because
yeah, yeah.
in
You can see in the background tree. I'm sitting under the tree, right? So
yeah,
this is
yeah.
my, when I talk about my qualification, I completed my intermediate many years ago. Then I dropped out. At this point, I'm working as a spoken English teacher. I teach specialist students who are belongs to rural area, who do not have any environment. Okay, who do not have any speaking partner. So I give them
Your
my
cha-
30 or 1 hour, 30 minutes or 1 hour.
Okay, what's your channel like?
My channel name is Learn English with JD. Learn English with JD.
Okay, okay.
Which I
Yeah.
started, see, like I wanted to be consistent because you know very well some issues going on. So that's the reason I'm not able to upload any content over there.
Okay. Even where
Ma'am,
I was born and raised village itself because I relate to you because the environment looks like village. Even I like the most village because after staying Bangalore also I don't like Bangalore because if it's too expensive to living here without having job it's completely going to hectic. So that reason I love my village first of all.
okay,
Yeah.
but
Sorry to interrupt you. You can.
could you introduce yourself as well because
Yeah.
you haven't
Sure.
formally introduced yourself.
Yeah, sure, definitely. So, as you know already, my name is Savitri, currently living in Bangalore. Apart from that, about my studies, I completed BCom. Then after that, I did MCom through distance learning because in that time I was working. So then, come to my hobbies. I love to cooking, then traveling. Other than that, love to interact with multiple people like tutors, sometimes for YouTubers and co-learners. Then, yeah, I'm a married woman then I have a kid. Yeah, it's all about
Uh,
me. Yeah.
May I know, like, you know, how old is she right now? Like your
She's
children?
2 years
Child.
completed recently, then 3 years running. Yeah.
Okay, okay. And what's the name? Who
Now
has
person
chosen the name for her?
actually, in my other family, other person also going for work. So me
Okay.
on the taking care her from 24 into 7 most of the time. So sometimes I feel like I wasting my time. Some other taking care of her is a good thing, but other than that, we concentrate our education like career also, right? So in
Are you
that way, I was worried.
family? Are you living in joint family or nuclear family? Because if you live in joint family, it will be helpful for you because they will take care of your child, right?
Because they also have commitments to their work. So that's what
Okay.
sometimes not possible. Because Bangalore only single person are working. It's not at all to lead our life, good life. Because
Okay.
everything is expensive when I'm staying in a rented house. Then other than that, vegetables and hospitality, everything is so expensive. So that's what it's little difficult if suppose if I am not working in future also. As of now, it's little okay, but in future it's going to be difficult if I am not getting to job.
Okay. Okay. Because you know, I talk about when we talk about like a YouTube, okay, monetizing your channel and making enough money out of it. It's like it could be daunting task. You know, it's not going to be easy. So right
Yes.
now, if you're expecting that you will, you know, monetize your channel and you will start earning, no, it is not that simple.
Correct you. First of all, I am not going to accept monetization because wait, I want to improve my language. First thing. Then
Okay.
second
Yeah.
thing,
Yeah.
my channel going to monetize. Then well and good because if my communication is good, then I'm able to get the job in Bangalore easily. If I had
Mhm.
a very good command in this language, so I don't have worried about much about my. See, when I started created initially, then I was worried a lot. I can't even explain that. So okay, it's 5 subscribers, views, and after sometimes I watch some other YouTubers video. They that don't waste you, don't. too much concentrate on your channel, because you are going to where sometimes health issues while viewers subscribers and all you are looking the most, then you are going to waste your time sometimes. Then too, and don't leave your job also. If someone are doing job only for YouTube, they leave their job also, then sometimes people are going to depressed sometimes coming to YouTube channel.
See, the thing is, when you are successful, I mean, popular on YouTube, when you are getting views, so I think then things will go, smoothly, right? Then you
Mostly.
will make money. Yeah. Yeah, there are some YouTubers I can see they're getting views easily. They're not struggling. Yeah, so they maybe probably, but still they are not earning much money. Even they're getting views, they're not making much money. That is the point here. That's so think
You
if
know
you,
why they are
yeah,
earning so much money? You have any idea for that reason? Why they are earning? Because they having 50K subscribers for something like 20, 30K also. They are not able to earn so much money. You don't know the reason. Know the reason.
see, I know the reason because YouTube will not give you much money. Okay.
No, another point is when they created the channel, there is no too much competition. Another thing is I
Hmm.
observed, because even I also used to watch so many like Shanta ma'am, then Rajini ma'am. I had conversation with her very long back. Then there is no too much competition. But these days, most of the people you can't even recognize them. Most of the people are doing same kind of video conversations uh, through YouTube. So that's what I thought. Is it true or not? I don't know. But somewhat people are interested towards some other YouTubers also these days. So that's why they are not getting too much views their channel.
Yeah, so like competition is there. There is no doubt about it, and you never know, like which video will work for your channel. Like I think, when I heard your accent first, okay, uh, starting of our conversation, I thought you're from Kerala because you have that accent intonation.
Okay, I already mentioned you. I lived in Bangalore. I mentioned so many times.
Yeah, you
Bangalore.
but I don't know, like why you know thought about it. You're from Kerala because I talked to many people, and somehow your pronunciation and your accent kind of similar to them. I don't
Okay,
know
but
why.
I in Karnataka, Bangalore.
Okay.
Yeah, I was born and raised everything in Karnataka itself. But currently, I lived in Bangalore.
Okay. Hmm.
Even I am looking for a job also. Some 2 to 3 months I am waiting. If I get any better job, then I'm able to do. And along with that, I am able to manage my YouTube channel also. But things are not going well these days, because
What sort of
already.
job are you looking for right now?
Sorry, I
What
can't
sort
hear you.
of, what, what sort of job you're looking right now?
Actually, teaching job is better, I feel.
Teaching job. Okay. So are you going to work in a school?
Yeah, I'm trying.
Okay.
I don't even get any. But in school, especially someone's refer. If somebody refer the job, then it's going to cakewalk. Other than that, it's going to difficult to conduct, attend an interview and get the job.
The thing is, like, I think school also not gonna offer that amount of salary which is you require right now, right? Very less salary they will provide you.
That is, I relate, and it's totally true. Actually, it's 100% true. Actually, and someone is calling because I sent a message in group now, so that's what.
This happened, but I'm a little bit disappointed. That I have many conversation with people. Oh my god, like many conversation. No one single conversation I'm able to
I have
refer.
to that video, bro. First thing, after these days we can't download that video. But when you had a conversation, after finish your conversation, until and unless you have to download and save your gallery in that video. Why you left those?
So like, sorry, come again. Didn't get it.
Okay, whenever you had a conversation with anyone, after
Hmm.
finish that conversation, you have to save that video in your gallery. Download that video.
Okay. But
Yeah.
even if you suppose like I'm recording right now, okay, this conversation, and what happened like when we disconnect the call, if we're not able to see the recording, right? So how we are going to download? There is no any option downloading option.
Okay. I'm not speaking about what going through now, but before that,
Before
I
that,
think
like before, it was easy, to download because you're able to see after recording the session, you're able to see that particular video, and and sometimes it was like a network glitch. Even if you see the particular video like on your screen, you download, but you're not able to get that video in your you know gallery. This happened so many times with me as well. So I had to be a little bit patient. Try next day, you will get or like try download, like 4 5 times, and
okay.
eventually you will get it.
I think your side, some network issue.
Okay.
Screening is not good.
I think network there is no like a 5G network showing.
Yeah, even I'm also have 5G network and now everything good in my side, but your side like
Okay, ma'am, I
it's not.
think that's it for today.